I'm so excited to be back at school. I'm so excited to be back at school. Are you ready for school? Are you ready for school? Hurry up! Run up the stairs! Hurry up! Run up the stairs! The teacher is sleeping. The teacher is sleeping. It's time for your flu shot. It's time for your flu shot. I study online today. I study online today. Watch your step when you get off. Watch your step when you get off. Let's read a book together. Let's read a book together. I will talk about future jobs today. I will talk about future jobs today. I feel sad that school is closed. I feel sad that school is closed. Don't throw paper airplanes in class. Don't throw paper airplanes in class. Look, I'm playing with green slime. Look, I'm playing with green slime. Can you help me dig this hole? Can you help me dig this hole? I eat lunch with my friends. I eat lunch with my friends. Get under the desk now. Get under the desk now. Listen carefully, everyone. Listen carefully, everyone. Have a good day at school. Have a good day at school. Let's sing together. Let's sing together. We graduate today. We graduate today. Let's study in a group. Let's study in a group. I have a club meeting after school. I have a club meeting after school. Hold my hand and walk slowly. Hold my hand and walk slowly. Let's choose healthy food for lunch. Let's choose healthy food for lunch. Let's go to school. Let's go to school. My locker is right here. My locker is right here. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. I'm running late for class. I'm running late for class. School is stressful sometimes. School is stressful sometimes. Excuse me, may I ask a question? Excuse me, may I ask a question? Everyone, back to your seats. Everyone, back to your seats. Who knows the answer? Who knows the answer? Here are your test papers. Here are your test papers. I'm good at this subject. I'm good at this subject. Come on, hurry up. Come on, hurry up. Put your books in your bag. Put your books in your bag. Please roll up your blanket. Please roll up your blanket. Today we learn about animals and planets. Today we learn about animals and planets. Do you want to share my lunchbox? Do you want to share my lunchbox? Let's do an experiment. Let's do an experiment. I have a club meeting after school. I have a club meeting after school. We have a parent meeting today. We have a parent meeting today. I don't understand this part. I don't understand this part. I'm so bored with studying. I'm so bored with studying. Let's eat lunch in the cafeteria. Let's eat lunch in the cafeteria. Let's clean the classroom together. Let's clean the classroom together. Teacher, can you explain this again? Teacher, can you explain this again? Let's study together later. Let's study together later. Let's go home from school. Let's go home from school. Let's head home. Let's head home. You can't use your phone in class. You can't use your phone in class.
I'm struggling with my homework.
I'm struggling with my homework. We are doing a sack race today. We are doing a sack race today. We are very proud of you. We are very proud of you. We are studying volcanoes today. We are studying volcanoes today. Let's paint together. Let's paint together. Put your phone in your backpack. Put your phone in your backpack. I teach Thai language classes. I teach Thai language classes. I work as a teacher in India. I work as a teacher in India. She is packing her backpack. She is packing her backpack. We're studying online today. We're studying online today. Stop fighting, please. Stop fighting, please. Please listen to the announcement. Please listen to the announcement. Dad drives me to school. Dad drives me to school. Today, we learn about the skeletal system. Today, we learn about the skeletal system. Let's learn shapes together. Let's learn shapes together. That's all for today's lesson. That's all for today's lesson. We run a relay race. We run a relay race. I'm happy to go to school. I'm happy to go to school. Spray the insect repellent. Spray the insect repellent. Today, we learn about road safety and cars. Today, we learn about road safety and cars. I take the bus. I take the bus. I feel overwhelmed and very tired. I feel overwhelmed and very tired. I help my daughter with her homework. I help my daughter with her homework. She blows her nose with a tissue. She blows her nose with a tissue. We are doing a tug-of-war. We are doing a tug-of-war. Look, the scuba divers are going in. Look, the scuba divers are going in.
Let's share this red apple. Let's share this red apple. Put on some hand sanitizer. Put on some hand sanitizer. I show the artifacts. I show the artifacts. I don't feel well today. I don't feel well today. I use an abacus to count. I use an abacus to count. I take a picture with a vintage camera. I take a picture with a vintage camera. I am at a crossroads now. I am at a crossroads now. I teach languages here. I teach languages here. Drink some water. Drink some water. I eat sushi under the cherry blossom tree. I eat sushi under the cherry blossom tree. What is this? What is this? This is my dream job. This is my dream job. Climate change makes the earth hotter. Climate change makes the earth hotter. Please read it aloud to the class. Please read it aloud to the class. Let's review the old lesson. Let's review the old lesson. Let's sing karaoke together. Let's sing karaoke together. I get a red X on my test. I get a red X on my test. I eat lunch at home. I eat lunch at home. Don't bully your classmates. Don't bully your classmates. We make crafts together. We make crafts together. We learn about solar energy. We learn about solar energy. I speak at the podium. I speak at the podium. We study diagrams in the classroom. We study diagrams in the classroom. I win the gold trophy. I win the gold trophy.